siguro kasi ang laki eh. Ang lamig, malamig daw dyan. Cold.
Sunrise bleeding through the glass. Got the gas tank full. We're moving fast. Leaving all the good in our hometown.
Uwi to Santa Fe.
Dotted lines is erasing all the troubled time.
Yan.
You were singing to
Yan tayo. San Nicolas.
deal.
Going to Aritao.
This is a road trip. Beautiful escape.
Ah. Nueva, Benguet, Nueva Vizcaya Road.
Chasing down the sun.
Ano? Ganda.
It's only just begun.
Ang ganda mo.
Just begun.
Kaya ba? Summer eh. Side trip in Nueva Vizcaya. Saan to? Kaya pa? Tabi lang ng kalsada.
The afternoon. Underneath the hazy silver moon.
555.
We talk about our lives. We talk
Pimpas. Ano?
ripping at the edges. Tearing at the seams.
Degree.
This is a road trip.
Malamig.
Check 6.3. Kami nag-stay gabi. Yun, may Japanese marker dun sa top, pero hindi na makita ngayon dahil sa fog. Sobrang lamig. Nagtatago kami sa lamig kasi ilang degrees ngayon? 13 degrees at naubos na sa pulag yung mga panlamig namin. Napawisan na lahat. So yun. So dahil nasa 14 degrees tayo. Ano, ang decision natin, hindi na magka-camping. Lamig. Yan. Back car camping na lang. Lamig. Mag-hotel na lang tayo. Breakfast.
Sunrise bleeding through
Canton Bidig.
the glass.
Welcome.
Got the gas tank full.
Mga wall paintings sa Pilipistian.
Moving fast.
Ayan.
Leaving all the ghosts in our hometown.
May pool pero hindi naka-open dahil sobrang lamig. Ito pa yung continuation ng wall painting sa loob naman to. Ayan. Depicting the life of Cordillera people.
Erasing all the trouble.
So may malapit kasi yung falls dito.
You were singing to
Tapos
the
yung view.
radio with no.
Tapos yung party. Pati dito may yung painting.
This is a road trip, a beautiful escape.
May rooftop din. Tapos kita yung mountain. Tapos covered siya ng
Chasing down the sun. All this life has only just begun. Just begun. Just begun. Just begun.
dito tayo sa rooftop. Ayun yung Maligwa Elementary School. Yan yung entrance, bungad. So, pagpasok mo nasa may right side yung entrance na yun.
We talk about our lives,
Tarawan, viewpoint.
about our dreams, ripping at the
Lang.
edges, tearing at the seams. This is a road trip, a beautiful escape, living on cheap coffee and a brand new mixtape. Yeah, a road trip, chasing down the sun. Our new life has only just begun.
Nakain na ng dilim yung bundok.
So, nadaanan natin